Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about grade 7 physical science heat lesson, transfer of heat. In previous recorded video we have discussed about what is mean by thermometer, temperature, heat what is mean by temperature, thermometer, laboratory thermometer, clinical thermometer, and the difference between the relation between the Fahrenheit, relation between Celsius scale and Fahrenheit also we have discussed. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about transfer of heat. Okay. What is mean by transfer of heat? Today we are going to discuss about transfer of heat. Transfer of heat. What is mean by transfer of heat? See here transfer of heat. Okay, heat is transferred. So we want two bodies, we want two objects. Okay, wow. Transfer of heat means we have only one thing. How to transfer of heat? No, it is impossible one. So we need two bodies or we need two objects. Okay, wow. At that time only the heat is transferred one place to one body to another body. Okay, let us consider the two bodies. Let us consider the two bodies. Okay, see here, this is one body or this is one object, this is another one object. Okay, how to transfer of heat? Okay, let us consider the two body is there. One body is hot body. Okay, another one body is the cold body. At that time only the heat is transferred heat body to cold body. Are you clear? That is called the transfer of heat. Okay, now we can say the molecules are transferred. Okay, the heat energy is transferred. Are you understand? Okay, see here, let us consider the two body. This is A body, this is the B body. This is, let us consider the A body is the hot body, let us consider the B body is the cold body. Okay, cold body. Now the heat is transferred from hot object to cold object. Now the heat is transferred from hot object to cold object or hot body to cold body. Okay, this is the hot object, this is the cold object. Okay, transfer of heat means something is transferred. We want two body or we want two object. At that time only the transfer is possible. Okay, one body is there, the heat transfer is impossible? No, it is an impossible one. So let us consider the two bodies, hot body and cold body. Okay, the heat is transferred from hot body to cold body. Why the heat is transferred from hot body to cold body? In hot time, all the matter, all the things are made up of matter. All the matters are made up of molecules. Okay, all the things are made up of molecules. Whenever heat on the body, whenever we heat on the object molecules are heated. It gets a high energy. Okay, high energy. The molecules are get heat high energy. Are you understand? The molecules get high energy. In which object? Hot object. So the energy get transferred hot body to cold body. That is called the transfer of heat. Are you understand? A heat is transferred from hot object to cold object, or a higher temperature is going to a temperature. Okay, a higher temperature and object, let us consider the one hot object. Okay va? The hot object, the hot or temperature, okay, the temperature transfer from hot object to cold object. Are you clear? That is the transfer of heat. The heat is transferred from hot object to cold object. What is the reason? That is all the particles are, all the things are made up of molecules. All matters are made up of molecules. So we heat the molecules, the energy is transferred. So the hot object transferred the energy to the cold object. Okay va? That is called the transfer of heat. Okay, the transfer of heat transferred in 3 ways or 3 methods. The transfer of heat transfer in 3 methods. Okay va? What are the 3 methods means? See here, the transfer of heat transferred in 3 methods. What are the 3 methods means? Conduction, and second one is the convection, and third one is the radiation. The 3 methods, okay, transfer the heat, hot object to cold object. Okay va? The transfer of heat transferred in 3 methods. What are the 3 methods means? Conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, now we are going to discuss about one by one. Okay, what is mean by conduction, what is mean by convection, what is mean by radiation. Okay va? First we want to know clear idea. Transfer of heat means an object moves hotter object to heat transfer from hot object to cold object. That is called the transfer of heat. Okay va? Are you understand? The heat transferred from hot object to cold object. That is the transfer of heat. The 3 things, the transfer of heat occurs in the 3 things, the 3 methods. Are you understand? The transfer of heat occurs in the 3 methods. Okay, by transferring by 3 methods. Okay, now we are going to discuss about one by one. Okay, first, what is mean by conduction? What is mean by conduction? Okay, see here. What is mean by conduction? See here, a heat transferred from hot object to cold object. Are you clear? A heat transferred from hot object to cold object. Okay, conduction. Okay, this is the normally what is mean by transfer of heat? A heat transfer from hot object to cold object. Okay va? Hot object to cold object, that is called the transfer of heat. Okay, here what is mean by conduction means conduction only occur in solids. Okay va? Conduction only occurs in solids. Conduction only occur in solid materials. Conduction only occur in solid materials. Okay, then it has, okay, it need medium. Okay, it occurs in solid medium. Okay, they need medium. Okay, it occurs in solids, they need medium, any one medium. At the time only the conduction is possible. They need medium. Okay va? Conduction, okay, we need conduction means they need medium. Okay, conduction only occur in solids. Okay, what is mean by conduction அப்படினா heat transfer from hot object to cold object with direct contact. Is called the conduction. Okay va? With direct contact means, see here, with direct contact. let us consider the I will say one example. Let us consider the one pan. Okay va, this is the hot pan. Now we heat the pan through by candle. Okay, through by candle. Here water is present. This is our hand. Okay, let us consider the one pan, one beaker. Let us consider the one pan. Okay, now we heat the pan. Now we heat the pan. What happened? The pan is going to heat. The pan is going to heat. We touch the pan. What did you feel? We feel also heat. Our hand also heat. Okay va? Okay, here this candle heat by the pan. Okay, see here, let us consider the one pan. The pan heat by the candle. Okay, what happened? We touch the pan. We feel the heat. The heat transferred from pan to our hand. Okay, but the heat transferred from here to here. The heat transferred from here to the pan to our hand. Okay, va? Our hand is the cold object. The pan is the hot object. The heat transferred from hot object to cold object with direct contact. This is called the direct contact. With direct contact. With direct contact, the heat occurs in, we feel the heat occurs in only solid. Okay, this is the solid material. The pan is the solid, no? Okay, the pan is the solid. Okay, the conduction, what is mean by conduction? This is the heat transferred from hot object to cold object with direct contact is called the conduction. Are you understand? Is called the conduction. Okay, with direct contact is very very important. A heat transfer from hot object to cold object. Okay, with direct contact. The conduction only occurs in solids. This is called the conduction. புரியுதா? Are you clear? நம்ம ஒரு pan எடுத்துட்டு நம்ம ஸ்டவ்ல ஹீட் பண்ணுறோம். ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது அந்த பேனை தொட்ட உடனேயும் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகுது? என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணுறோம்? இட் இஸ் வெரி ஹாட். ஓகேவா? தொட்டு பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா? தட் இஸ் த டச் த பேன். தட் இஸ் த டைரக்ட் கான்டாக்ட். ஓகேவா? த கண்டக்ஷன்ங்கிறது ஒன்லி அக்கர் இன் சாலிட். ஓகேவா? அந்த ஒரு இடத்துல மட்டும் சூடாக இருக்காது, ஹோல் ஏரியா. ஓகே, த ஹீட் ஸ்ப்ரெட் இன் ஹோல் ஏரியா. புரியுதா? ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? தட் இஸ் த conduction. புரியுதா? What is mean by conduction? A heat transfer from hot object to cold object with direct contact. It is called the conduction. Conductivity, conduction சொல்றோம். Okay. The conduction are classified into two categories. What are the two categories? The conduction classified into two categories. Good conductors and bad conductors of heat. Okay, good conductors and bad conductors of heat. What is mean by good conductors of heat அப்படினா, and material heat allow through them easily. Okay, a material that allow the heat to pass through them easily, that is called the good conductors of heat. புரியுதா? A material allow the heat to pass through them easily, that is called the good conductors of heat. Example க்கு என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Steel, iron, silver, aluminum. ஓகேவா? இதெல்லாம் this is the good conductors of heat. Okay, next bad conductors of heat. What is mean by bad conductors of heat? A material that do not allow heat to pass through them. Okay, material that do not allow the heat to pass through them easily is called the bad conductors of heat. Okay va? Example, plastic, wood, air. It is called the bad conductor of heat. Okay va? Whenever we heat on the pan, we kept in the air. What happened? It is a cooling one. Okay, are you understand? The air is the poor conductor of heat. Are you clear? Okay students, see here, good conductors. Okay, some materials, good conductors of some materials, heat to pass through them easily. Some materials do not allow heat to pass through them easily. That is the good conductors, that is the bad conductors. Okay va? Do you know the example? Wood, plastic, that is the bad conductors of heat. Are you understand? Okay, listen, நம்ம pan எடுத்துருக்கு இல்லையா, in our home some pan is there. Okay, that the pan hand is the metal, that is the plastic, bad conductor of heat. Okay va? Okay, black color la ஒன்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is the bad conductor of heat, non metal. Okay, that is the bad conductor. Black color la ஒன்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is the bad conductor of heat. That is one of the plastic type, that is the bad conductor of heat. Are you understand? Suppose the handle is the steel or silver, means it is a good conductor of heat. அது தொட்ட உடனே என்ன ஆகும்? Heat ஆகும். அதனால we can't use stainless steel hand. Okay va? Only use the plastic hands. Are you clear students? Okay, now we are going to discuss about convection. Do you know understand conduction? Conduction only occurs in solid. It is the direct contact. Conduction only occurs in direct contact. சொல்றது புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? Okay, next convection. Next, what is that? Convection. What is mean by convection? Convection means and the heat transferred from hot object to cold object with movement of particles. Okay, the heat transferred from hotter object to colder object with movement of particles. Okay va? See here, let us consider the one pan. Okay, see here. Okay, this is the cold water. Okay, சரியா? It's kept on stand. Okay. Okay va? See here, this is called the conduction அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Conduction only occurs in solids. Conduction only occurs in solids. There is a solid medium. It is occurring, conduction only occur in solid medium. Okay va? Okay, see here. Now let us consider the one beaker. In the water are heated by candle. Okay va? Let us consider the one beaker. It contains a water, half cup of water. Let us consider the one cup. The water is present inside the cup. Now the water is heating through by candle. Okay, what happened? This is here, cold water is there. Here cold water is there. Now the water is heated. The water is heated. What happened? The hot water is going to upside. The hot water is, the hot molecules are going to upside. Here this molecule, the colder molecules is going to downside. Okay va? Are you understand? This is called the movement of particles. Whenever we heat on the water, we heat the water through by candle. What happened? The hotter molecules is going to colder area. The heat is going to cold area. Okay va? The cold area, the cold particles is coming to hot area. Okay, the cold area, the cold particles coming to hot particles, hot area. Are you understand? This is the movement of particles. This is the movement of particles. Okay va? இது என்ன ஆகும்? நம்ம ஹீட் பண்ண என்ன ஆகும்? What happen? Is going to boiling. Okay, the water is going to boiling. The water is heat by again and again. What happened? The water is heat again and again. What happened? The molecules are rise up. Okay, the hot water is going to the hot particles moving to cold area. The cold particles moving to hot area. This is the movement of particles. Movement of particles. Okay, the movement of particles. Okay va? This is called the convection. This is called the convection. Okay, it occurs in only liquid and gases. Liquid and gases. Okay, the convection only occurs in liquids and gases. புரியுதா? So convection also need medium. Conduction also need medium. Convection also need medium. In which medium occur in convection? Liquid and gas medium. This is called the medium. The convection occurs in only liquids and gases. That is a medium of convection. புரியுதா? கண்டக்ஷனாலும் சரி கன்வெக்ஷனாலும் சரி it has medium is there. Medium is very important for conduction and convection. What is the medium of conduction? Solid medium. ஓகேவா? நம்ம ஒரு பாத்திரத்தை ஹீட் பண்ணுறோம், அந்த பாத்திரத்தை தொட்ட உடனே என்ன ஆகுது? நம்மளுக்கு தெரியுது சூடாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்கிறோம் நம்ம. தட் இஸ் த சாலிட் மீடியம். தட் இஸ் த கண்டக்ஷன். தொட்ட உடனேயும் அந்த ஹீட் அந்த பாத்திரத்துலேருந்து நம்ம கைக்கு வருது இல்லையா? தட் இஸ் த கண்டக்ஷன் சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? கண்டக்ட் த ஹீட். hotter part to colder part. That is the conduction. Conduction only occur in solid medium. Convection, தண்ணி நம்ம சூடு பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா? Okay, now we heat on the water. The hot molecules is going to cold area. The cold molecules is coming to hotter area. That is a movement of particles. கீழே இருக்கிற தண்ணி சூடாக இருக்கும், மேலே இருக்கிற தண்ணி கோல்டாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஹீட் ஆக என்ன ஆகும்? The hot particlesலாம் மூவ் ஆகி மேலே போகும். Is going to upward direction. Okay, that is the movement of particles. That is called the movement of particles. That is called the convection. அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? Convection only occur in liquids and gases. Liquid and gas medium. Are you understand? What is meant by convection? The heat transfer from hot object to cold object with the movement of particles. That is called the convection. That's all. புரியுதா? Okay, next one is the radiation. Third one is the radiation. Radiation. What is mean by radiation? What is mean by radiation? The heat rays are produced. The heat rays are produced. That is called the radiation. Any one object produced the heat rays. Any one object emit the heat rays. That is called the radiation. Radiation means which is nothing but the heat rays are emitted. Heat rays are emitted. That is called the radiation. The best example, the sun emits the heat rays. The sun is the hotter part. The sun emits the heat rays hotter part to colder area. Okay va? In our world, okay, cold area. The sun emits the hot rays hotter part to colder area. In which medium? There is no medium. Okay, there is no medium. Okay, it's a space. Our space contains a solid, liquid, gases. Okay va? Radiation occurs no medium. Okay va? But conduction only occur in solid medium. Convection only occur in liquid and gas medium. But radiation occurs no medium. Okay, it occurs in 3 mediums. What are the 3 mediums? Solid, liquid and gases. Okay va? Are you understand? No medium na sun emit the light rays, sun emit the heat rays to fall on all other medium, solid, liquid, gases. Prida, not specific medium. Are you understand? Okay, now heat on the water. Now heat on the water through by candle. The candle emits the heat rays is going outside. Going outside. Now we heat on the water emits the heat rays. The water emit the heat rays. Okay, sorry, the water emit the heat rays and the solid material also emit the heat rays. That is called the radiation. Okay, this is called the radiation. The candle emits the heat rays. Okay, it's going to solid, it is going to liquid. It's going to solid, it is going to liquid. That is called the radiation. Are you clear, students? Okay, the candle emits the light rays. The candle emits the light rays. புரியுதா? candle light rays, the heat rays வந்து வெளியாகுது வருது இல்லையா? Okay, the candle emit the heat rays. That is called the radiation. But there is no medium here. Here solid medium also is there, liquid medium also is there, gas medium is also is there. Okay va? So radiation means which is nothing but heat rays emitted. Any one object emits the heat rays. There is no medium. It occurs in, there is no medium. It occurs in solid, liquids, gases. எதுல வேணாலும் radiation நடக்கலாம். சொல்றது புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? Okay, next. Okay, are you clear? Conduction, convection, radiation. Are you clear? சரி, okay, இங்க பாரு, the heat, the candle, this candle emit the heat rays, that is called the radiation. The candle heat the material, the candle heat the pan, that is called the conduction. The candle heat the water, that is called the convection. Okay va? சொல்றது புரியுது இல்லையா? Conduction with direct contact, convection movement of particles, radiation emit the heat rays, that's all. Are you clear, students? Okay, next, convection. Convection, what is mean by convection? Movement of particles, hotter object to colder object, movement of particles. Okay va? In coastal area, the hot air going to Z. Okay, the hot air in daytime, the hot air moving to Z. Okay va? In night time, the Z air is moving to land. That is called the breeze. Okay va? Breeze, what do you mean by breeze? Tendral cotton சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? It's cool air, cool wind. That is the breeze. Okay va? The convection occurs in Z breeze and land breeze. Okay ma? What is mean by Z breeze? What is mean by land breeze? That only now we are going to discuss. Okay ma? I will use chart. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Convection occur in solids and convection occur in liquids and gases. Okay ma? Okay. See here. Convection. What is mean by convection? The hot air is moving to cold object. The hot object is hot air. The heat is transferred from hot object to cold object. Okay va? In normal நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது என்னது நம்ம let us consider the 1 cup of hot tea. Okay va? Kept in our surroundings. What happened? The hot air is moving to our surroundings, is cold area. Okay, hot area to cold area, that is called the convection அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Okay, the hot air movement of particles, the hot particles moving to cold particles. ஓகேவா? அது பிரகாரம் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா கோஸ்டல் ஏரியாவில் எப்படி இருக்கும்? நார்மலாகவே நம்ம பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம டே டைமில் எப்படி இருக்கும்? டே டைமில் our land is very hot. Okay, now we are going to some water area, river, sea. Okay, போகிறோம். அப்போ in day time the water area is going to cool. Okay, how? எப்படி கூல் ஆகுது? The hot air rises up to high side. Okay, the hot air rises is going to high level. ஓகேவா? அப்போ என்ன ஆகும், இந்த கோல்டு ஏரியா இருக்குது இல்லையா, கோல்டு ஏரியாவுக்குள்ள இந்த ஜென்டில் கூல் wind flows from sea to air, water area to land area. ஓகேவா? Are you clear? That is the land breeze. Okay, the land breeze only occur in daytime. The convection only occurs in sea breeze and land breeze அப்படினு சொல்றோம். சரியா? அப்படினா என்ன? What is mean by sea breeze? What is mean by land breeze? Okay, are you clear? Okay, நம்ம சொல்லிருக்கோம் convectionங்கிறது only occur in liquids and gases. Liquids and gases. Okay, gasங்கிறது என்னது? air. சரியா? hot air இருக்கிறது cold airக்கு போகுது. cold air இருக்கிறது என்ன ஆகும்? hot air is going move to cold air. ஓகேவா? இது எங்கே நடக்குது அப்படின்னா நம்ம கடற்கரை ஏரியாவிலாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். நார்மலாக நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி தண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம் இல்லையா, தண்ணி என்ன ஆகும், கூல் வாட்டர் இருக்கு இல்லையா, நம்ம ஹீட்டுக்கு பக்கத்தில் நம்ம லேண்டு சப்போஸ் நம்ம வெளியில் போயிட்டு வந்துட்டு கை கால் மூஞ்செல்லாம் கழுவுறோம் இல்லையா, ரெஃப்ரெஷ் ஆகும்போது என்ன ஆகும், நம்ம வாட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணால் ஜில்லுன்னு இருக்கும். ஏன்? அந்த ஹாட்டில் இருந்து நம்ம கூல் வந்து படுது, இந்த ஹாட் வந்து கூல் வந்து காம்பன்சேட் பண்ணிடுது. சரியா? அப்போ கோஸ்டல் ஏரியாவில் நடக்கக்கூடிய கன்வெக்ஷன் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, in coastal area occurs in convection, that is called the sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, first what is mean by sea breeze? In which time the sea breeze occur? The sea breeze occur in only daytime. Okay, sea breeze. What is mean by sea breeze அப்படினா it's occur in daytime. It's occur in daytime. Okay வா? Here this is the sea breeze என்னது? கடல். ஓகே, கடல்ல எப்படி இருக்கும்? இது வந்து land. This is land. This is sea. கூலா இருக்கும். In daytime the sea is very cool. In daytime the land is very hot. We feel very no. ஓகே வா? நம்ம இப்போ வெயிலில் நின்னோம் அப்படின்னா ஹாட்டாக இருக்கும். இதே தண்ணிக்குள்ளே போய் நின்னோம் அப்படின்னா இட்ஸ் வெரி கூல். இட் we feel very cool. ஓகேவா? சரி, இப்போ என்ன ஆகுது, எங்கேருந்து எங்கே நம்மளுக்கு போகும்? ஹாட் ஏர்லேருந்து ஹாட் டு என்னது, ஹாட் ஏர் டு sea breeze போகணும். சரியா? see here the cool air, அதை வந்து நம்ம கூல் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா, நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தேவை? ஹாட்லேருந்து கூல், இதை கூல் பண்ணணும், நம்ம லேண்டை வந்து கூல் பண்ணணும். சரியா? அப்போ கூல் ஏர் ஃப்ரம் sea to land, this is called the sea breeze. எங்கிருந்து ஏர் மூவ் ஆகுதோ that is called the that breeze. Okay, the cool air moves from towards land. The cool air moves from land. Okay வா? Are you clear? This is the sea. இது வந்து sea. This is the land. இங்கே ஏர் எப்படி இருக்கும்? கூல் ஏராக இருக்கும். The cool air moves from land. The cool air move to land. Okay va? That is called the convection. Okay, that is called the convection. ஏன் கூல் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா hot air rises up from land. Okay va? The hot air rises up from land. மேலே போச்சு அப்படின்னா அது என்ன ஆகும்? இங்கிருந்து இங்கே எப்படி மூவ் ஆகும். மூவ் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா ஏர் வந்து கூல் ஆயிடும். சொல்கிறது புரியுதா? The hot air rises from land. லேண்ட் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும்? இங்கே ஹாட் ஏர் வந்து இங்கே கூல்டு ஏருக்கு போயிடும். சொல்கிறது புரியுது இல்லையா? இப்போ இந்த கூலர் இருந்து எங்கே வரும்? இங்கே வரும். கூலர் மூவ்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் sea to land. This is called the sea breeze. Okay, hot air rises up from land, then the cool air are produced from sea. This is called the sea breeze. The sea breeze only occur in daytime. Okay va? Next, what is mean by land breeze? Land breeze na enadhu? Same like that. Land breeze, the land breeze occur in night time. Land breeze occur in night time. Okay va? See here, this is the land, this is the sea water. Okay va? Sea water. Okay, in night time the land is very cool. Okay, here the sea water is very hot in night time. The hot air rises up from the sea. See what happened? The hot air is moving to land. So the land cool air is moving from land. The cool air moving from land to sea. Purida? The cool air moving from land to sea. That is called the land breeze. That land breeze only occur in night time. Okay, எப்போ cool air produce ஆகும்? The sea air get rises. The sea air hot ஆயிரும். Okay, see here, hot air rises up from the sea. The hot air rises up from the sea. ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும்? Is moving to cool air. Okay, அப்போ கூல் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த லேண்டில் இருக்க கூல் ஏர்லாம் to moving to sea. Are you clear? Okay, don't confuse that. Sea breeze na the gentle cool air moves from sea to land. That is called the sea breeze. Okay, the gentle cool air moves from land to sea. That is called the land breeze. That's all. Avladha. Don't confuse that. Are you clear? Okay. In last topic, next only one topic. Why do we wear in different kinds of clothes? Okay, ma'am. Why do we wear in cotton clothes in summer? Dark colored, light colored clothes wear in summer. Dark colored clothes in winter. Okay, ma'am. That only now we are going to discuss. Okay, ma'am. Are you understand sea breeze and land breeze? ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஓகேவா, லேண்டில் இருந்து போச்சு அப்படின்னா அது லேண்ட் பிரீஸ். எப்போ நடக்கும்? அது நைட் டைம். ஓகே, ஆர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? சரி, ஓகே. see here next kinds of clothes, different kinds of clothes wear in summer and winter. Different kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Summer and winter. Okay, what type of clothes we wear in summer? Only two type of clothes is there. Dark colored clothes, only two color is there, dark colored and light colored. Okay, va? Dark colored and light colored. Light colored clothes we wear in summer days. Okay, second one, dark colored clothes we wear in winter. Why? We light colored clothes we wear in summer. What is the reason? Dark colored clothes we wear in winter. What is the reason? See here, light colored clothes observe the heat rays very less. Okay, observe the heat rays very less. Okay, are you understand? Why white colored painting in outer walls? நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வெளியில white colored paint அடிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? What is the reason? It observe, okay, it observe the less heat. The white colored, the dark white coloredங்கிறது என்னது? White coloredங்கிறது just the light colored. Okay, the light colored material observe less heat only. Observe the heat very less. So we painting the white color in outer area. Are you understand? சொல்றது புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? Light colored dress we wear in summer. Why means the heat rays are only observe the less heat. Okay, only observe only less heat. ஓகேவா? அது ஹீட்டை கொஞ்சமாக அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறனால தான் நம்ம லைட் கலர் க்ளோத்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் இன் சம்மர் ஹாலிடே. சம்மர் ஹாலிடேஸ்னால் என்னது? ரொம்ப வெயில் அடிக்கும் இல்லையா? அந்த டைமில் we wear only light colored clothes. Why means the heat rays absorbed in very very less. சரியா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டார்க் கலர் clothes we wear in winter. ஓகேவா? okay, see here, observed more heat. okay, observe more heat. dark color clothes observed more heat. இப்போ black color ஷர்ட்லாம் வெயிலில் போட்டுட்டு போனால் என்னாகும்? பயங்கர ஹீட்டாக இருக்கும். அது நிறைய ஹீட்டை அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிக்கும். சரியா? அப்போ நம்ம we wear dark colored clothes in winter season. ஓகேவா? நம்ம உள்ளாக இருக்கு இல்லையா, உள் போட்டுக்கிறோம். உள் டைப் ஆஃப் கிளாத் வி வியர் இன் சம்மர். த உள் இஸ் ஏ புவர் கண்டக்டர் ஆஃப் ஹீட். ஓகே, நம்ம பாடியோட ஹீட்டை எமிட் பண்ணாது. டு நாட் எமிட் அவர் பாடி ஹீட் ஃப்ரம் உள் சொட்டர்லாம் போட்டுக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா, அது என்ன பண்ணும்? நம்ம ஹீட்டை அப்படியே அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கும், வெளியில் விடாது. எமிட் த ஹீட். சொல்கிறது புரியுது இல்லையா? ஓகே, அப்சர்வ் மோர் ஹீட். ஸோ we wear dark colored clothes winter in summer. we wear dark colored clothes in winter. why-னா ஹீட்டை நிறைய அப்சர்வ் பண்ணி நம்மளை வந்து வெதுப்பாக வச்சுக்கும், சேஃப்டியாக வச்சுக்கும். சரியா? ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? ஓகே, dark colored clothes absorb more heat. ஓகே, நம்ம பாடி சொட்டர் போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, நம்ம சொட்டர் போட்டுட்டு என்ன ஆகும்? நம்மளுடைய பாடி ஹீட் நம்ம பாடிக்குள்ளேயே இருக்கும். அந்த உள்ளுங்கிறது என்னது? புவர் கண்டக்டர் ஆஃப் ஹீட். ஹீட்டை எமிட் பண்ணாது. உள் இஸ் த புவர் கண்டக்டர் ஆஃப் ஹீட். புவர் கண்டக்டர் ஆஃப் ஹீட். Are you understand? Okay students, thank you. The heat lesson is over. We will discuss about book bag exercise in online class. Okay va? The lesson is the overheat lesson. What and all present in heat lesson? Thermometer and transfer of heat, conduction, convection, radiation. Why do we wear in clothes in winter and summer? That's all. சொல்றது புரியுது இல்லைங்களா? Okay, go through the NCERT book line by line. Are you understand? Okay students, thank you. If you have any doubt means ask the online class. Thank you.